Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here, and I'm heading back into Target, so I'm inviting you to come along with me. Let's go shopping. First thing I spot, a tree skirt. I don't remember them doing large tree skirts in the last few years. It's a heavy white canvas with the word believe on it, and of course the reverse is buffalo check. Now it's not huge, but it is only $5 and it's reversible. Can't wait to see if they bring out more. And then I spotted these cuties. So can we all say it together? These look just like Hearth and Hand. They're just little metal framed houses for $3, and they come in both the metal and black finish. I'm guessing they're probably about 10 inches from the very peak of the house to the bottom. Really cute. Another new item are these wooden stockings. So the last few seasons, they've been putting out this sort of DIY line where they put out things like this stocking, and then they come out with stickers and different little kits that you can make them your own. They also did this planked wooden wreath. I'm not really a fan of it. I can't decide why, but they also did this very rustic looking white ornament, and I think this one's adorable. They're definitely showing us the little stickers here that are going to be coming out any day now. And the toboggans are back. So last year, and I believe the year before that, they put them out. Now these are much bigger than the ones they've done before. They come in the very rustic distressed wood in white and the natural wood color. These are so big. So I have big hands, and you can just tell these are much larger than the other ones we've seen from Target, and I like them. They're a lot more simple. The ones in years past have had the word joy written down them. They have these cute little twine handles. Another returning item are these chargers. So this one is green felt on a wood backing, and those tree cutouts are the wood. They also have it in a red glitter and a wooden version that says believe. They're all $3. I found another pie pan for Christmas that says joy on it with a wreath, and then this little one that says who needs presents when there's pie. I also came across some new appetizer plates, and the last time we were here I showed you guys 3, and now I found 3 more versions. So these are definitely retro. I did open the ribbon to show you how they matched them up, because these actually are coordinating prints, and the ones from the last shop with me are the same print, and you get 2 of each plate. So they're $3 a piece, and these definitely scream retro Christmas to me. Something that is back again are the large blanket scarves. So these have been a staple the last 3 years, and they're great because you could wear them in chilly weather, or you can just use them as a cozy blanket or in your decor. They're $7 each, and I found them in black and plaid, and I'm pretty sure this is the same plaid as last year. It looks very familiar. They also have it in a nice gray, medium tone, and then I really like the white and black. And you know they're not going to miss an opportunity to sell you some buffalo check. I also found these sort of clay or dough mold ornaments, very pretty and simple in white. They have it in a tree. They're only $1. They also have it in a mitten and a snowflake. The little tins are back. These have been every season since I've gone to Target, and this year they've got little cutouts of a home and forest They're $1 a piece. They have a scalloped top edge, and I believe only the red one has Santa and the reindeer flying over top of the houses. Now I did find some signs. These first ones are definitely more young and whimsical, $3 a piece. This one is sort of a window style with the little hanging lights. The red part is glitter. Now these are a foil finish, so very shiny. And then the reverse is red. I did pop up the DPCI code in the upper left-hand corner for you. I will link a video I made on how to look things up in Bullseye's Playground down below in the description in case you're interested. I also have this one that's really fun with the little foam 3-dimensional snowballs. And I hope I don't blind you because this is very holographic. Don't get your tinsel in a tangle. And these I love. They're super cute little metal round hanging signs. They're probably around 10 inches in diameter. This candy canes one is my absolute favorite. It's $3. And this one I think will also be very popular because green is really kind of the color this year. Another really cute sign. Can't beat the price. And speaking of signs, I did find a few more. These are a bit more on the sort of winter wonderland side of things. A little bit of wood, lots of mirror, and this one actually has a teal edge around it with Let It Snow. Now all of these will have the same DPCI code, so if you do want to pause to jot it down, go ahead and look it up on Brickseek, but remember, you may get there and they may not have the specific one you're looking for because unfortunately with their coding, those numbers all match on their signs. This one is Believe in a Mirror with a silver edge on a whitewashed wooden background. And mittens. So last year we had skates. This year, mittens. Gray fur there at the top, $3. Pretty large with winter wishes written on them in silver foil. And now some tabletop standing word signs. Merry in green. It's a brighter green than I would have expected. Joy is very, very tall and in white. And they have Noel in the warm wood tone. The edge of the Noel is actually like a brushed gold. And these are all going to be $3 and they all share the same DPCI code. I did find some greenery. These garlands are, I think, a lot more full than the ones I've seen in the last few years. $5 on those. And are you guys picking up on the nod to the Hearth and Hand collection with their labeling on some of their things here for Bullseye's Playground? I found 2 kits of stationery for $3 a piece. One of them has some thank you notes in it, and that is perfect for the holiday season. And I found 2 rolls of very cute wrapping paper. The first one just says no peeking, and the other one looks a lot like Ray Dunn, and it has all of the reindeers' names on it. Here's some more greenery. This sparkly boxwood in a galvanized tin for $3. It's pretty small. They also have a few succulents with a lot of sparkle, also in tin. And then these, which have sort of a holographic clay base, and these are all $3 also. I did find some of their glass water bottles for $5. They have them in rose gold, silver, and gold, and they all have the silicone cover. And now the section which I would say will probably be popular for teenage girls, a lot of sparkle and glitz. They have their little buckets or baskets out, and they're $3. Now these are glitter, but they're covered in something clear, so they're not scratchy. They also have this very large ornament pillow for $5 in a very shiny pink. And a few signs, a silver and gold heart. This is going to be one of their $3 signs. And a few little framed pieces. This one in the pink glitter, 'tis the season to sparkle. They all do have a kickstand on the back and are $3 each. They also have it in the gold, shine bright, and silver, let it snow. I also spotted these pretty large, I'm guessing ornaments. They're very sparkly snowflakes for just $1 in silver and gold. Now we've seen a lot of these little bags, makeup bags or just pouches in the last few years, and they brought them back in a very heavy felt. They all have these little pom-poms on the zippers for $3 and two very large bags for $7. Something I'm noticing this year is that they are putting little tags along with their price tag that say to and from, so they're setting you right up to put together little gifts from the Bullseye's Playground. They also have these smaller sort of makeup pouches, and these are $3. So I think the envelope style ones I showed you first must have been $5. And I do love the prints and colors they're doing them in. Also, they're doing felt placemats in very large ornaments, red and green, for $3. They have the little silver hangers up on top. And these are probably about the same size as the chargers I showed you guys. Another set of placemats, you do get 2 of these for $3, and that's, I think, a pretty good deal. These have that vintage retro feel with that teal in them, and they have a red pom-pom fringe to them. I also found 2 table runners, this one in that vintage look, and of course our favorite, the red and black buffalo check. $3 for a table runner is an excellent buy. Now I'm going to show you guys some of the dish towels that I have found. Now this one is the only one I saw with a pot holder. 'Tis the season to be baking with a white pot holder. But this one is beautiful, believe. And then these little cloches have a reindeer, a red truck, and a gingerbread house in them. That one's going to be super popular. They also have Let It Snow with the mittens and a print that very much reminds me of my last shop with me to IKEA. And then they have this one in Merry Christmas with the pom-pom fringe and that super cute Santa face with a coordinating print. And of course they did a vintage version. This one's interesting. In some of those ornaments were things like mermaid tails. They're all $3, as are these miniature stockings. And there's just no denying that this is definitely an influence of Hearth and Hand. They've got the dark green and grays. These are all $3. This one is a dark felt gray. They also have this one that's kind of like muslin. Pretty small. They also did them in a glam version. The sparkly gold as well as the silver. And I also found some of their string lights. So far I have found the stars in copper and in the white. These are $5 a piece and battery operated, 6 feet long, and they take 2 AA batteries. And I think these were out for fall, but now they're putting out a few different versions for Christmas, including these snowflakes, the little ornaments, as well as this one in copper. These are $3 each and also take 2 AA batteries. This is something new that I think will be pretty popular. This is just a battery operated bottle topper of fairy lights for $3. I know that everyone is loving DIYs with those glass bottles, and that makes them very easy. A few more items for your tabletop. These little chalkboards for $3. These would be great place settings. I love the little ribbon, and look at these. So the last few years they've put these out, and these are just placeholders as well for $3. But this year they did that little gingerbread house in there, and I love that. They also have them with the miniature tree, and this is the one that they have put out the last few years. A few more signs, good tidings of comfort and joy, on a wood background with a white frame, probably right around a 12-inch square. This one is $3. And a few little miniature signs, mistletoe kisses with the green on it, and these are just $1. They also have them in the number 25, and I'm hoping to find the one that says cocoa on it. And then I found the stars. These are so right up my alley. I love these. They're also just $1. They have them in the black finish and then the lighter wood as well as the darker wood. And I did find this little sign hanging around in a very strange place in the clothing department for $3. Let it snow. I brought it back home to the playground. Here's a few things for the kids. They brought out the fleece blankets again. This one's really fun with the llamas, polar bears, and penguins. They do have the Sherpa blanket lining, making them really soft. They also have it in this version and stripe. Then I found these little lacing kits. They do have one that's a little more girly with the unicorn. This one that is so adorable with those little elves, and more of a boy version. These make great little stocking stuffers. I love the pictures on this one, and these are all $3 a piece. Great if your child is just learning how to lace and tie. And these are also going to be pretty fun little stocking stuffers. So these are just the Legos, and they come with that little piece of bendable track. They have them in 3 different color sets for $3 a piece. They also have some squishies, and they're tiny, and they're $3 a piece, but I thought I would show them to you guys anyways. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I am finding in Bullseye's Playground. Let me know down below, is there something you have your eye on? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.